so good to see you. We do this every day. It's just us two.
At the not the airport, at the terminal.
That'd be wishful.
I know, so it was a bit confusing. We had to get up a barcode. Look, open your testing profile. So that was a bit confusing. I didn't expect that. And now we're just in a queue. Yeah, so they asked for your phonetics barcode and your reservation number.
So make sure you got loaded up on your phone.
Yeah, interesting. But I don't know if you could have done that prior.
Yes.
I don't know if it said it on all the emails, did it?
Yeah, well, it didn't say it on the
Maybe.
mails, but
You just do it when you get in
print
here.
it if you want.
Yeah. So then we're just still in the queue, so we'll let you know what's next. Still Disney though, look. I'm a Disney jumper. We are Disneyed out. Okay, so we just went to another checkpoint and they asked for the stateroom number and if we had photo ID as well, which we do. We have our passports and we have our driving licenses. So yeah, so now we're in the queue to be tested. It's a long queue. It's a long queue. We'll see how long it takes. What's the time now, darling?
It is 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Ooh. We were meant to be here between 2:15 and 2:30, but the traffic was horrendous. So yeah, 3 o'clock. I'll let you know how long it takes to go through and have our test. FYI, there are toilets just outside. So if you've just been driving for 3.5 hours like us, there's toilets just outside when you're just coming in. Not that I've used them, but I'm just saying. Okay, so we had a COVID test. We were given a sticker and now we're in the waiting area waiting for the results. I assume that they emailed them to you. Oh, JP bought chocolate. Yes. Oh. So I assume they emailed to us.
Yeah.
They didn't check our mobile numbers or anything, so I'll imagine that's probably what they're going to do. So we'll sit here and wait. So it was at 15:19. That's how long it took to get through to do that COVID test. So it took 19 minutes of queuing. And we'll sit here now. Okay, so the results were emailed to us. And we're now just walking through towards the ship. We're boarding! Oh my god! We're boarding, JP! Oh my god, it's Disney music! On a scale of 1 to 10, where are you?
I'm about a 9.
A 9?
Your 10 would be Disney World.
I'm on 100. Hi! Hi, look how pretty! Oh my god. Hi! Hey!
Welcome. Come over to Megan here. She's going to introduce. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful Disney magic. Please live soon. We want to see our stunning atrium filled with families again. Families who are about to make lifelong memories together. Now our family offers unemployment tirelessly to ensure that every detail is taken care of, so you can experience the magic that is Disney. So Captain, take it away.
Gorgeous cruise ship. Ooh, so exciting. I just did a video of the room. Oh, JP's always coming out the loo. Sorry about that. So we're now going to go upstairs and explore the ship a little bit more. We haven't done this ship before, the Disney Magic, have we, JP?
Nope.
We've never done this, so it's very exciting. Do you have to wear your mask everywhere? So the process was quite simple to get on the ship. I'm quite impressed. Little bit of waiting around, but you don't mind that, do you? I probably would have just already spoken about it anyway. So let's go and explore the ship, shall we? Super excited. Are you, JP?
I would be if the zero worked.
Oh, you can see that this ship is a little bit old. It's definitely got wear and tear all over it, especially coming off of the P&O Iona, which is sparkling and brand new. You do notice the difference, but I'm not comparing it. I'm on a Disney ship. Did you see that entrance? Oh my gosh, it was amazing. See you later, guys. So as soon as you come into my plans, and it tells you where you're going to be eating tonight. So tonight we eat in Luminaise.
Luminaise.
Oh, Luminaise. What did I just say?
Luminaise. you added some letters in there.
Luminaise. That's exciting. Then where do we eat tomorrow?
I don't know. I need to go on to tomorrow.
How exciting. The third last day. So tomorrow is Tangled the musical, which is going to be amazing, and then Animator's Palette, which is exactly what we wanted, because Animator's Palette, our favourites, like if not the favourite, could be changing this cruise, you never know, but as it stands, that is our favourite. So yeah. So JP, you guessed all those.
I got it all right, and I had no idea. Right, food. Food.
We are off to deck 9. And everything. Wow. There's no signs in here to say no talking.
And I can stand in the middle or on the side.
Yeah,
or I can
there's
stand
no. You can stand anywhere you want to stand. Ooh.
Deck 5.
Ooh.
No.
Going up.
Oh look, Disney Wish. I wonder the next cruise, how much you'll get off of that.
I don't know.
We'll have a look. We're just going to get some juice. So whereas previously you could help yourself, they now hand you your juices.
Thank you so much.
Alright, see ya.
Thank you. He's just heading over to Daisy's Delights, and I saw the cookies. Oh my gosh, the cookies looked amazing. So he's off over there to get a few little bites. So we've got the shawarma, and then we're just going to get some bites from over here. The cookies, chocolate, and JP got the chili. That looks really nice, cornbread.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks lush. We'll have some pizza. Hi!
Chicken.
Yeah, one piece of each.
Chicken and olive. Can I get chicken and an olive and pepper, please?
Pinocchio!
Amazing. Thank you.
You will have been to your designated assembly station and checked in. However, if you have not visited your assembly station, we suggest that you make your way there now and check in immediately. Please take time to also view the safety video that is now on your life jacket, as well as supplying general safety tips to follow while on board. The general alarm signal will be given at the beginning of the safety briefing, which please remain in place. You are not required to wear or collect your life jacket. We ask that all remaining members of your party please pay close attention to
you all aboard the beautiful Disney Magic. Now at this time I'd like to give a special welcome back to all of our Castaway Club members and a special welcome home to all of our Disney Vacation Club members too.
Jack! Woohoo! Decorate their rooms. Oh, we found a glass lift. It's the little things. Oh, oh, is that warm? 2 shops, deck 4. This is the time it opens. And they're having their staff briefing in there, and there is a massive queue. It goes all the way around the corner there. So, but we're not sure why. Why there's such a big queue? Because I can't see any 50th merchandise. There, I can't see anything that's on sale. I can see quite a few bits, but I can't see anything that would make massive queues. So I'm intrigued. JP's getting extremely hot.
So
He's got that t-shirt on again. So the people that noticed last time, yeah, he's got that t-shirt on again. Yes, I'm not sure why there's such massive queues. And I actually feel sorry because around there they are actually queuing, and then the people are just coming here and standing this bit, so who knows. But yeah, so over here we've got the other side as well. Oh, so this is called Mickey's main sale.
it's called White.
Mickey's main sale. White Cats. So this is us just boarding. We're going to have a look in here and then we'll come back here the day before or the last day as well. We'll come. So when we're at sea, we'll come and have another look, see what's left, shall we? Then the cruise. We are in the shop.
Honey?
How much are these?
27. 34. There you go. With the sparkly rim.
The best party this side of the fjords.
Now Anna, Elsa, and their friends are on their way, but right now it's time for the festivities to begin.
All right, Disneyland, if we need everyone up on your feet, it's time to break the ice. We're gonna put our hands in the sky and we are gonna clap it out. Here we go. Here we go. Yup.
Yup.
Ho.
Ho.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Faster. Yup.
Yup.
Ho.
Ho.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Let it go.
Clap it out. Hi, me. Hello, everyone. Sorry I'm late. Hey. Oh, the sky's awake. Did you know that they have ice cream here? And it comes in chocolate. I love chocolate.
I know something else you love.
Parties! Christoph and I absolutely love parties.
That's right. We love parties and games. When I was a kid, we came up with reindeer games. They're his favorite.
Oh, let's play Sven's games now.
What games should we play? Sven?
Sven
Says.
Sven says what?
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Oh my goodness, it's Olaf.
It's like a winter dream.
Well, we thought it'd be the best way to celebrate summer.
It's our big summer blowout.
Summer? Did that guy right there just say summer? Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer.
But the ship is turning.
So this reminds me of that old kind of styled, like cruise liner. You know, the wooden decks.
QE2,
Well, no, I was thinking more of the kind of grand age of cruising.
Cunard,
You know, the kind of 20s and 30s.
the one that went down.
Oh, darling. No. Titanic.
Titanic.
No.
That was wooden.
Yeah, but that's not what I was talking more romantically, not like death-like. Like I said. Oh, between the hours of 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. So you can smoke here between 6 at night and 6 in the morning.
Ah.
But not during the day.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. Captain Fabian speaking from the bridge, and welcome to the beautiful Disney Magic for this very special cruise. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking part in our mandatory safety briefing carried on earlier on this afternoon. For the health and well-being of all guests, face coverings are required indoors for everyone aged 11 and up, except when dining or in your stateroom. You may temporarily remove them while actively eating or drinking, but you must be stationary and physically distanced from other travel parties. Please cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, clean your hands often, and maintain physical distance. We have mostly sunny skies, winds of 10 to 15 knots coming from the 1.5 to 3 foot seas, which is less than 1 meter. Very gently rock you to sleep tonight after a eventful day. But now that you've made it on board, kick back, enjoy, and relax.
We found the walking deck. Of course we had. It wouldn't be KPJP if we didn't find a walking deck on the cruise ship. So this is deck 4. Woo! And you go all the way round. Oh, you can't get round? What goes down here then? Well, I'm going to look. He didn't tell us that we couldn't go round. Alright. But I think you can normally go round, I would imagine.
When they're not putting in the ropes.
You can go round. Yeah. Oh well, never mind. But you know what we're like. So cool. Right. Oh, you're wonky. Back in our room, we are gonna get a little freshened up for this evening for our meal. What's the time, babe?
It is.
Oh, it's 19:59, so 8 o'clock.
Yes.
And our dinner reservation is for when?
8:20.
So freshen up a little bit and then get to dinner. We have had a blast, and I tell you, shopping on the Disney stores, we're not going to buy anything. We're not going to buy anything. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Right? I know.
Well,
so
bought 4 things.
Crazy. We're definitely just going to freshen up, and then we are eating in tonight. We're eating in
Lumiere's.
Oh, can't wait. Food looked awesome. I'll show you what we're going to be eating. I'll place the menu up on the screen for you all. So let's get cracking. I love the
How are you?
Hi.
Good, thank you.
Pleasure having you on board. The packet coming. You go 14, 14. Good evening and welcome. Okay.
Hello, good evening.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent, thank you. Welcome to Lumiere Palace. Welcome to the beautiful Disney Magic. My name is Carlos, I'm from Honduras. I'm going to be the assistant server. Together with Mr. Saul, he's the server. We work as a team. I will take care of the food and drinks.
Lovely.
Any specialty that there is need?
No. So we have, what did you say I think it was olives. And it's just, so you can see, oh, it's French baguette. French baguette. Oh, it smells lush. Food-wise, I think I was going to go, yeah, let's move the glasses because we don't need the glasses. See that? I'm going to pop it up on screen for you guys, but I think I'm going to go for the... Oh, I'm going to go for the iced lobster and jumbo shrimp. Then I'm going to go for... I think I'm going to go for the salmon. I know there is a lamb, but they'll probably have that later on in the week anyway. So I'm going to go for the salmon.
What do you mean later in the week?
Well, for the next bits of the... And the iced lobster shrimp. What are you having?
I was going to get the... so I'll get the duck.
Steak.
I'll get the duck. The French onion soup, the steak.
Yeah.
Done.
The hat is off.
Not by choice.
I don't know who the name of the person who said it, but if you're the person who said it and you're watching our video again, hat is off at dinner.
Surgically removed.
We listened to your comments.
I am going to sneak it back on now.
It's very pretty in here. Beauty and the Beast. There. I'll tell you what would make it better is if Beauty and the Beast actually came, wouldn't it? If Beauty and the Beast actually came here and you could do a meet and greet with Beauty and the Beast. Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
We may have done that before.
Before COVID.
No, I'm good, thank you.
See the detail on my plate through the camera. So I've got like little carriages. See if I But my dinner was delicious. The prawns tasted gorgeous. The lobster was lush, and your duck was awesome.
Amazing.
It was really nice, wasn't it?
Oh, it was really nice.
It was delicious.
But it's meant to be because it's coffee.
What would you give yours out of 10?
8.
Wow! I'd give mine a 9. Yum, yum, yum. The onion soup.
It's lovely.
I have the pear salad. The chef.
Oh yes, yes please, thank you. Excellent, thank you so much. Bernays.
Okay, so we are coming to the end of our dinner. It was amazing, wasn't it? I'll get JP in a minute. It's all very awkward when you have to sit opposite each other. I say this in all of our vlogs, but it was really good food, delicious. Salmon was perfectly flaky and tasty and crumbly bits on top. You see JP's face. That was not your face.
I was smiling, I only smile. I only ever smile.
That was not his face. And your dinner, was that nice, darling?
Awesome. It's always good. Disney food's always good. Always good. Nothing ever wrong.
I know. So we're going to order pudding now. We might see if we can get to sit next to each other. I don't think it'll happen. We're table 14 throughout the whole of the cruise. So we'll see. But it is a little bit difficult. Right, ordering pudding.
And the Dura chocolate slice. Lovely, thank you.
Oh, sugar-free chocolate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the puddings are delicious. This pink mousse is so strawberry, stunning. And then JP's gatto tastes like tiramisu.
Like a gatto tiramisu.
But it's not tiramisu.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing.
We're on a sugar high.
Disney always get their desserts right.
Always.
Royal Caribbean have great desserts.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Wonderful. I hope you're having fun, enjoying yourself.
Amazing. how good the puddings are.
Second, third, fourth. This is our fourth cruise. This is our third cruise in 2 months.
1 month.
Well, there you go, my friends. That was our first day on the embarkation and our dinner as well aboard the Disney Magic. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget, give it a good old juicy big subscribe, like that notification bell. Nope. Hit the like button and catch us on our next adventures aboard this awesome ship with the biggest and biggest of smiles from me and JP. See you next time. Bye!